And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, there goes your warm front on the move eastward. Right there it is, bathing us in hotter air this afternoon. The clouds have held the temperature down a little bit, but certainly heating up pretty quickly out there right now. And you can see the cold front off to our northwest as well. We're going to be watching that for a few storms to develop. Now, you can see the heat surging our way, the higher humidity surging our way too. Current temperatures exceeding 100 in parts of Missouri, the 90s approaching. So it'll get hotter and much more humid this evening. So you would expect that to get things unstable enough to bring severe weather and a lot of storms. The thing is, there's a hot, dry, warm layer, a cap, a lid that's coming in from the southwest and kind of setting up right over the top of the area. So there's a lot of question as to just how many storms can even develop tonight. There's a slight risk of severe nonetheless, a 2 out of 5 on the scale, generally 7 p.m. to about 3 a.m. for wind and a little bit of hail, but the coverage may not be good. It may only be about 20 or 25%. Still, a few isolated storms can't completely be ruled out. This evening it will be rather breezy, warm, and getting quite humid as well. And it's going to be humid for a good chunk of the night with just a few storms around. Then they depart. We get some clearing, drop to 68 by tomorrow morning as the wind turns the northwest with 64 to 71 northwest to southeast, viewing area wide. So there's your front. This is 930. The model, this is the HRRR model, and it doesn't produce very much this evening. The cap held in place strongly. Even at midnight, it's just not producing much because of this strong cap in place. There we are at 2 a.m. There's 3 a.m. Again, a few isolated storms around, and any storm that could just bust through that lid would pose a severe weather risk. And then the storms get a little more widespread down towards Indy as the cap erodes a little bit towards sunrise. But I still like 20 to 25% coverage for any storms. Then some just cumulus clouds later tomorrow. Some clouds tomorrow night, nice days right through the end of the week. Then we heat up for the weekend, and as the big hot ridge expands like that, we'll have hundreds out here, 80s over here. We'll watch this complex of storms. If we play our cards just right, the far tail end may clip the area perhaps Saturday night. We need that because after that, there is just not much rain to be had. Tomorrow, 85, 82 to 87 to an area wide, breezy. Low humidity, there you see the highs, followed by Wednesday highs near 80 to the mid 80s. Lots of sunshine, northwest breeze, really nice mid to late week. And there you see the highs on Wednesday from the 80 at Rochester to low 80s Lafayette, mid 80s at Petersburg and Covington. Brand new blog post. I just finished that up at 5 p.m. I will have another blog post later on this evening, and we'll be watching that cap and see just how many storms can pop with time. All right, 68 tonight, 85, 82, 82, 2 nights in the 50s. Then we start to heat up. We will watch Saturday night to get clipped by one of those, we call them a ridge rider, storm complex around the periphery of the heat. 93 Monday, but I'll tell you, late next week, we are back to about 101 for highs.